The woodcutter went home. He told his wife the whole story. His wife wanted to meet God. So the next day they went to the river. When she was peeping, her leg slipped. She fell into the river. The woodcutter was crying. God appeared. He asked, "Why are you crying?" The woodcutter replied, "My wife fell into the river." God dived into the river. He brought Aishwarya. He asked, "Is she your wife?" The woodcutter said, "No." God dived a second time. He brought Rani. He asked, "Is she your wife?" The woodcutter said, "No." God dived a third time. He brought the woodcutter's wife. He asked him, "Is she your wife?" The woodcutter said, "No." God was angry. He said, "Woodcutter, yesterday you were an honest man. What happened today?" The woodcutter said, "My lord, yesterday when I was honest, you gave me all the three axes. Today, if I show my honesty, you will give me all the three ladies. I cannot handle one. How can I handle three?"